All right, what's up, everybody? Well, as you can see in my last video, I installed that radio in my truck, and I was having issues with the dash cam that I have up here. So if you guys, I'm sure there's a glare, but anyways, I couldn't get it to work, and so what happened is Eonon, I guess that's how you pronounce that. But they reached out to me on Instagram and was asking me about that. And so they decided that, actually, let me get some light in here. So they decided to, instead of messing around with that one, to go ahead and just send me another dash cam. So anyway, so I'm going to pull the truck out. Actually, probably going to go in there, just unbox this real quick. See what comes in the box. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have to rerun that cable or not, but let's get it open, and then we're gonna see what's in the box and see how hard it is to install this thing. All right, see if we can just get this camera at a decent angle here. But this is the box they sent me, and I think I did open this for a second. I think it had some little stuff in here to keep the camera in there, but this is the camera. And then, so it looks like it has a double-sided tape. It looks like this, oh yeah, this does turn. It even has the company logo there. So I'm guessing you just stick it on there somewhere. And then it has this little connector. Now, I do not remember if the old one had this, but honestly, that would be awesome if it did, because then I would not have to rerun this cable. So it does come with a little book. Ooh. So this comes with a little instruction manual. Looks like maybe the same app, but I think the app is actually installed on the camera, just like the other one. So it might be the same app that I already have on there. If not, we'll just install this one. But so let's go and see. So that's it. So it's basically just the cable. So this connects via USB. That's the way the old one was. I don't think I ever did a video on the old one, but not on the installation. But yeah, so it's just a USB, so which is kind of awesome. And then there's an app. But yeah, so let's, I'm gonna take that other one down and see if it has this connection, because that would be awesome. And then I could just take the old one off and just mount this one. But let's get in the truck and check it out. All right, so I almost forgot to mention that the SD card for the footage is right here, right on the side. It looks like there's a microphone right here too. So I just wanted to throw that in there. All right, let's go. All right, so let's see. I'm not sure if you guys will be able to see this very well, but I do have a little zip tie right here. So let's clip that. No big deal. And I think I just tucked this in here. Oh, there is a cable right here. Is it the same though? So just pull out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pins. Man, I might get lucky. It's kind of an ugly yellow color, but is it the same? And it looks the same. So that if it fits, is it the same? It might be the same. I guess we're gonna find out. Well, it sure did plug in there. So well, if that's the case, that's gonna be flipping awesome. So hopefully you guys even seen that. Did you see that? Maybe. But so here, you know what? I wonder if I should heat that up. Oh well, the double-sided tape peeled off there. but I'm gonna clean that. So let me clean this. Just the double-sided tape just kind of peeled off there. I'm not sure if you guys probably can't see nothing because of the. I really need like an HDR camera. Actually, you know what? I think I have an HDR setting here. Okay, so honestly, I don't think that HDR changes anything, but I've actually never shot HDR on this camera. But anyway, so this is the end. It is the same, looks the same. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna fire this truck up. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna stick this little double-sided tape on here so we can kind of stick it, and then figure out where we're gonna put this. Maybe at the same spot, if that's possible. And maybe we shouldn't have did that. I'm gonna close this door. Oh, it says no card. So it automatically went to the camera. So I need to take the card off of my other one. Here. Okay, my radio's probably gonna start. So you can see.
Together, so sing to me, baby, right. And sing forever.
Actually, we don't want to get a copyright, so the card just kind of slaps in right here. Oops, I have it backwards. Can't tell. Maybe it's upside down. Okay, so I had it upside down. Alright, so I just took the card from the old one and just stuck it in the new one. Alright, so let's go to back to shoot. So obviously I already had that software on here. Let's see, so maybe it says no device found. Maybe I need to download.
Don't wake me from my.
Okay, so maybe we should uninstall this. How do I uninstall this here? We need to go to the file manager, file browser. So then let's go to here. Alright. SBC. Right here, I believe. Your phone and personal data are more vulnerable, blah blah blah. Do you want to update this app? Update. Maybe it is the same app, but maybe it's just needs to be updated. Alright, well, there it is. Okay. Alright, so I went back here, so let's go to okay, so it's this one. Alright. So I guess that's going to be a good spot where it was. I don't want to exit. Okay, so that's, what does this do? Oh, that probably plays old footage. Okay, so, okay, I'm not sure what's going on here, but let me figure this out. I'm going to get this mounted. I'm going to clean this little spot, get this mounted, and then we'll play. I may have to turn the truck around because it's so hard to see with the sun pointing that way, and then we'll just go from there. Okay, so I know it's going to be difficult to see, you know, the day, all these glares and all this mess, but, so anyway, so I got it installed. And you can see, so if I hit this, it goes to it, and it automatically records. You can see the record button right there, and I mean, you can see the front of the truck. It's actually a pretty good screen. I mean, if you wanted to adjust it, you know, you could up and down a little bit, maybe, you know, actually maybe like down a little bit from what I had. It's a little bit better, but so it only stays on for a few seconds. I don't know, maybe that's a heat issue. I'm not really sure. but it is recording. So, so if you wanted to take a look or whatever, you could. So let's see. So if I go to, I think I can go to my recordings here. So let's click this, and there is one of the recordings. Let me see if you can hear it.
And automatically record. You can see the record button right there. And
so
you can see the front of the truck. Actually,
this is the video. I mean, basically we just recorded right now. So, but I mean, it's actually pretty good. And I know I'll put the price up and a link to this, but super inexpensive. Ooh, well, we don't want to do that. But super inexpensive and honestly pretty awesome. So you can see, it installed. It's kind of hard to see, but and I kind of just tucked it in up here. It's really hard to see because it's so much sun, but anyways, but that's it. That is the Eonon dash cam, and I believe it's 1080p. So it's not the best, but I mean, it's good enough. Like I said, if something was to happen while you're driving, you'll get a picture of the situation. And as soon as you turn the vehicle on, it automatically starts recording. You don't have to do anything, and it saves it to an SD card. So if you need the footage, you just put it off. It records the sound and everything. So anyways, that'll be it for this video. If you have any questions, any comments, like I said, disclosure, I was sent this from Eonon, and for free, and because they seen my issue I was having with the other dash cam. So anyways, there it is. I'll put a link in the description so you can purchase this yourself, and then we'll see you on the next one. Have a great day. Peace. I just realized something. I left the stupid little plastic film on the lens. I wonder if it's a difference. Let's readjust this camera here. Oh yeah, it actually does look better. Well, there you go. Don't forget to pull off the plastic on the lens.